Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to send an email in Node.js using Gmail. So you can you can check out this video. I'm showing you this is working code. So now I'm going to hit my this is my file which is Node email something. So 1 second, I'm going to hit Node and this file is name is Node email.js and this is from I'm sending the same particular email ID. So let's check. Yes, that was easy. Okay, so this is working fine. So I'm going to show you how this is working step by step, and I'm going to remove this code. So once I remove this code, then I have fresh Node.js. So you can install Node.js. If you have any doubt how to install Node.js, you just check out my previous video. As I will give you descriptions area link. Okay, so once this is installed successfully in my machine, I am going to use first of all I am going to use whatever machines you have. Just install package. If you're using no npm manager, so you can just install npm. We need to use the node mailer. Okay, so once I have already installed. So if you don't know how to install npm, also I'm going to show you how to install this particular command. You can use npm I means install and node mailer. Okay, once this node mailer installed in your system, just type here node mailer. Okay, is equal to, and here I'm going to use require. Inside of the require, I'm going to import package. What package we have, which is node mailer. Okay, so now we have imported particular using this command. Once this is done, then we need to use one more package. Package name is mailer, basically send mailer something. When we want to using send mailer, then we need to use Gmail send some things. Okay, this package I have written here, and also I have already installed in my systems. If you don't know, just click on this particular hit and you can check out the. Okay, so once this is done, then I'm going to use for the basically create of the sending the mailer. So I'm going to use where this is also you can use the constant whatever you want, and just use your mail. And here I'm going to use I'm going to use server info something. Okay, server info. I have created this particular this is variable. Okay, so once this is created, then I'm going to use node mailer, which I have added first. Then this inside of this particular class, we have a function name is the create text account something. Okay, so create transport. Once you have added the create transport, then inside of the bracket we need to use what kind of services we want. Service name, suppose we have Gmail, then you need to put here Gmail. And once this is done, you need to put also here host. What kind of host are you using? So we are using right now host is Gmail. So we need to put inside of the bracket also which host is. So we are using smtp dot gmail.com. Okay, so we are using this particular we are using particular this host. Okay, so now we need to also add here port. What is port number using by Google? So port number is 465 something. So I'm going to use 465, then bracket then comma, and here SSL is true. We need to write here SSL we will use as a true. So once this is done from your side, then what we need to do, we need to add one more things which for the authentications purpose. So I have added here. Now what we need to do, I am going to use auth for authentications purpose. Inside of the authenticate auth, we need to put user and password some things. Okay, I am going to put here user ID. Basically we need to put here, suppose I have email ID which is real programmer. Okay, a real programmer at the rate now Gmail I'm going to put here. So this is my user email ID, and now here I need to put password. So password is my admin18 so I will change after this tutorial, so don't try to hack my password. Okay, so I have email id which is Siddharth sorry, which is real programmer 3 @gmail.com. Okay, so now I have added this sorry, we don't need to put this bracket. I have added the wrong thing, so leave it. So this bracket basically we need to put, okay, curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket we have added auth, which for the user id and for the password. Okay, so we have added here user id and password. So now we have added, then what we need to do again, we need to add mail info something. So I am going to use mail info, sorry, mail info. Inside of mail info, what we need to do now, here we need to add from to, okay, so from we want, I want to same real programmer 3 @gmail.com. You can check real programmer 3 @gmail.com. so this is from, okay, so now here what we need to do again, from, then here to, which is inside of the real programmer 3 @gmail.com. so we have added here mail, which is from and to, and inside of the from and to we need to put here subject. Okay, so now we have subject. I'm going to use here testing mail. Okay, this is for the testing mail, so I put it here the subject, whatever subject you want you can put it inside of this subject. Now we need to put here text, so text whatever you want, something um, real programmer Node.js, something I have added here real programmer Node.js. So we are using as a for the testing purpose, that's why I added here subject, whatever subject you want you can check out from your side. Okay, so once this is done, then I need to call send mail function. Here what we need to do here, again here we need to pass something mail info first, mail info, then we need to add functions if any errors occur something, so we need to add here, this is a function basically, then inside of the function I want to show error, then space info something. Okay, now we will also check inside of this particular bracket if error, then we will print something inside of the console.log. so inside of the console dot, if any errors occurs, then we will print error. Okay, so now then what we need to do, again we have added if condition, then we need to put else conditions. Now console.log, inside the console.log I am going to mail send. Okay, so I have added mail send. Okay, so now this is mail send, then you want to add something, then you can also append. How to append, just put plus, then inside of the plus you can put like info dot I want to add response something. So okay, so what kind of response we want to check particular, this is response. Okay, so response also added here. So now I am going to use inside of the curly bracket response. Okay, so once this is done, then what we need to do, we need to whenever you have added something, this one, so I have an URL, so you need to all just you can also check from the description area. Also you can check out my blog also, I will also give you description area my blog link. So you need to disable display enable captcha something, you need to enable here, and also let's secure, then you can able to send particular an email. And also you can check from my blog, I will also give the description area link also. So let's check this is working or not, where I am. Okay, we are here. Now I'm going to run this command, we get something error. So SSL is true, I have written here. Let me check. Just put inside of the bracket. Now check. Why this is coming again and again? Maybe we have added something. Sorry. Now check. We don't need to put inside of the true. Maybe this is working. I'm going to again. Yes, sent. Let's check. Yes, we got the particular email from here, real programmer. So this is working fine maybe. So if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section, and also you can check from my blog. This is my blog, and don't worry, don't try to hack my email and ID. So I will change after some time. Thank you for watching this video.